No. Multivitamins are the greatest health bargain of the 20th and 21st centuries. You know, 100 years ago, there weren't any vitamin supplements. That doesn't mean people didn't need them. It just meant that they probably ate better or they died sooner. And we know they did. They had more sickness. We know they did. One of the great public health benefits is the multivitamin. It's inexpensive, and that's why you're being told to not do it. You've got all these people that want to sell you 30, 40, 50 different products that are $80 a piece or more, or even less. That's still a lot. And there's more money to be made in diversity and selling lots of things. Come on, young ladies, did you ever have a Barbie doll? The doll wasn't expensive. It's the clothes that cost a fortune. The same was true of G.I. Joe. The same is true with getting a house. You know, the basic mortgage payment isn't that much, but by the time you add on the taxes and the insurance and all the things you have to do, the repairs and the furniture and the utilities, all of a sudden everything goes up. So keep in mind that the multivitamin is economical. It's cheap. It also is pill friendly. If you don't like taking tablets, a multivitamin means fewer pills to take. You have to also get a good multivitamin. Now, having said that, everybody asks me, well, what brand? Well, I don't have a recommendation on brand, but I do have a suggestion what to look for. Make sure you look for natural vitamin E as an Edward. That would be D-alpha, not the DL. The DL is synthetic. Look for magnesium citrate instead of magnesium oxide. Not real likely you'll find it, but look and see if you can. Look for a good slug of the B complex vitamins. You're looking for the number 25 or possibly 50. In some cases it's micrograms, in some cases it's milligrams, but look for much larger than RDA amounts of the B complex vitamins. When you take a multi, you take one each meal. If it says you take one a day, you take one each meal. If it says you take 3 a day, you would take 2 each meal. So the multivitamin is the greatest health benefit, the greatest health bargain that you can get. Get a good one, read the label, ask people which ones are good for them. Remember, you generally get what you pay for, with one notable exception. I have seen products called whole food vitamins, multivitamins. And when I've contacted the source or looked into it for myself, I find out that there is whole food in there, but they bring the label claim up to the numbers on the label by using additional laboratory vitamins, the very same ones that you can get at a much lower cost in a regular vitamin product. If you don't have much money, you get a cheap multivitamin. If you have lots of money, you get a really, really good multivitamin. And if you're on a budget, you get the best multivitamin you can afford, remembering that and extra vitamin C, and probably some extra niacin and vitamin E, is your health plan if you don't have gobs of money and gobs of time to spend on this. So the multivitamin is your friend.